So when we talk about digital marketing, we're not talking about one thing. We're talking about enormous and many ways of marketing. And in this video, I want to quickly tell you some of the best digital marketing techniques and how you can start using them in your business today. Save this video, just quickly go ahead and save this video or share it because this video is going to be very, very valuable. The takeaways are things that you should refer back to and watch it again and again to have success in your business. All right, now that you have saved the video, let's go ahead. Number one is to run ads. Now, running ads, we have different types of ads. We have the social media ads and we have the PPC ads. So there are so many different ways, but once you are sure that you are in business is when you start running ads consistently. Now, everything you are doing in business, make sure you have a budget. Just like your NEPA bill, just like everything you are doing, make sure that you have a budget that you are running ads day in, day out. Number two is social media content marketing. Now, it is very, very important that you have a small team of people, or at the beginning, do it yourself. Make sure that you are creating content on social media every time, just talking about your product. Talk about where your store is located. Talk about the kind of service you do. Tell a story about how you started. Tell a story about your customer. Show the procedure, show behind the scene, and many other things. This is the second thing you can do digitally that would help you get customers. Number three is something we call search engine optimization. Now, for you to do this effectively, you need to have two things. Number one, you need to have a website. And number two, you need to have something called a Google Business Profile. Now, when you have a website and a Google Business Profile, what this does is that you can create a Google Business Profile for the physical location where you are. Now, you know when people go to Google and they search for things like where can I buy gas in Ikoyi or Tech Institute in Victoria Island and those kind of stuff, right? When people search, they are going to find your gyms near me, right? So people are going to find your business location and then they can call the phone number there and visit your business place. So this one works very, very well, especially for local businesses. Then the search engine optimization also is something that brings traffic to your website. Now, you see, when you are online and you have a website, if the website is not getting visitors, it is because your website is not well optimized on the search engines when people are searching for that keyword, right? So the way you do this is to make sure that you have a website and then you put search engine optimization in place to help a lot of visitors visit your website. So the next one is email marketing and newsletters. Now, you see, when you are able to build a following of people that have been reaching out to you, if anybody has ever bought product or service from you, you can put them into an email list and then send them newsletters from time to time just to tell them more about the solution that you provide. Let's say, for example, you are a nutritionist, right? You can give them updates on foods that can help them get more energy and then lose fat or something like that. Or you can give them nutritious meal ideas that they should try and all that kind of stuff, right? So when you send this to them week in, week out, it builds a strong bond and loyalty with these people. And eventually, when they want to buy a product or service, they would always come and reach out to you. The next one that you can implement digitally is something called influencer marketing. You see, people like influencers in their space that they already like, that they already have gotten value from and all that. When you work with these influencers, what you are doing is you are leveraging on the trust that the influencer already has. And that trust is transferred to your brand. And this works so well. That's why you see so many big brands will pay a lot of money to influencers just to get their face to talk about a particular product or service. And this will create a lot of awareness and a lot of trust and loyalty with their customers. So these are just a few, but if you want to learn more, I have a free consultation section that you can just go ahead and say free session, and then my team member will reach out to you and me and you can talk one-on-one, and I will show you how your business can reposition and get more. If you like content like this, follow me for more. I'll see you in the next one.